Namaste, I'm Sonali Joshi, and in this video, we are going to see how we can do the simple rituals on the day of Hanuman Jayanti. To those of you who are new to astrology, or those of you who are watching this channel for the first time, Lord Hanuman is known to have Swati Nakshatra. It is the power of wind, the extreme independence, intelligence, and lot of physical strength. And the most important thing, his unparalleled devotion for Lord Rama. And that is why, for strengthening your Saturn, usually astrologers suggest pray to Lord Hanuman. Even in this material world, or even in this materialistic world, people have to have devotion and they have to have lot of efforts in order to achieve their goals. And worshipping somebody like Hanuman is always going to give them good returns. So here are 7 things that you can do in order to get the best on this Hanuman Jayanti. The date for the Hanuman Jayanti is this. On Hanuman Jayanti, try to get up early. Waking up little before sunrise. Waking up before sunrise is advisable. Do whatever your early morning routine is. Do whatever is your early morning routine. Then first thing you can do is chant any Hanuman Stotra. Hanuman Chalisa, Pranamya Shirsa Devam, whichever one you know, you can do that. Pray to the idol of Hanuman if you have one, or you can search the internet and you can find any image and take a printout. You can just see the thumbnail or the imagery in the video I am making, and that is also one of the ways of looking at Lord Hanuman. If you don't know Hanuman Chalisa, if you don't know any other Hanuman Stotra, I'm going to give the link in the description and you can either listen to it or watch it from the YouTube link that is I am giving. To those of you who have, if you don't believe in God, you can still follow the devotion towards your family, your parents, and to the work that you are doing. Whatever research work, IT work, any business, do it with honesty, do it with full 100% concentration. Help others. That is the most important thing. Hanumana gave all his life Sri Ram, Sitaji and Lakshmana. He was his devotee. Help others and you can strengthen your so many planets. Lord Hanuman is worshipped all over India to gain physical strength and intelligence. So work on your body, work on your mind. Whatever health related routine you have, maybe you go out for a 15-minute walk, 15-minute run, whatever it is, please do that. Do pranayama. Hanuman is known as Vayuputra Hanuman, and Vayu is the pran, the breath that we take. All our physical strength depends on it. We are alive until we are breathing. As simple as that. So focus on doing some kind of pranayama. There are a lot of YouTube channels which will teach you that. Or you can have some trainer who will teach you. The last thing that you can do is have gratitude. Lord Hanuman is always represented by planet Saturn. Whenever I think of Lord Hanuman, I remember the small kid, Bal Hanuman, who thought sun is nothing but a fruit that he wants to eat. And he started jumping and going towards the planet sun. He had that enormous physical power. He had that optimism. And he had that mind strength to focus on his goal and achieve them. And hence, to the all viewers of this channel, I would really request to worship Lord Hanuman and do these 7 things that I am mentioning. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Bolo Pavan Putra Hanuman ki Jai. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.